Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today we have a very small Walmart haul and a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with the Walmart. I went to Walmart looking for some stuff for my husband, and it was a pin for our pump so we can use this on our son's football. So I got that. This was only 94 cents. And then I picked up a gold leaf pen, and it's the Deco Color Premium, and it's just the chisel tip. So I picked that up. The Essentials Craft Supply box. So this is a new style box for me. This was in the crafting section of Walmart, and this was only $4.89 or something like that, under $5. So I picked up two, and they were the last two. So yeah, now let's go into our Dollar Tree. I picked up some of these envelopes, and these are the snap envelopes. And what I noticed was that the ones with the design is a 2-pack. So this comes this like arrows design, and then you have a pink with the geometric hexagon design, and that's a 2-pack. Then everyone's seen this pattern with the circles and the flowers, and I love this one. It looks like Maggie Holmes. So that's a 2-pack. And then you have the clear, same thing, same exact size, but it's clear, and this is a 3-pack. So yeah, grabbed one of the large envelopes that they carry, the bubble envelopes. That's $1, so that is for a swap. Up one of the pumpkin fancy boxes, the wooden boxes. Got a DIY in mind for that. I picked up 1 pack of the wooden owls, and there's 5 in there. I really was looking for the pumpkins, the plain pumpkins. Picked up a pack of the oak leaves, the orange oak leaves. I found these little witch's boots. I'm gonna fix them up a little bit, touch up the trim, or even change the trim out. But these are little decorative picks. They go in your like decorations, like of flowers or whatever, or even in your wreath. But these are so cute. Pick that up for my swap. I found these little skulls. They're glitter, and that's a pack of 12. Oh, look at how sparkly. They're supposed to be like fillers for vases and stuff, vases, vases, whatever. But yeah, I got other plans. And I picked up this teeny tiny chalkboard. This is a lot smaller than the ones they put out before. So it's like 7.5 by 6. It's a lot smaller. So I'm gonna use that on another DIY if I can get them all done. I picked up more of these clear pencil pouches. I got 3 of the purple, 1 of the gray, and I will add that to my set, and I'll just use zip ties again to put these together. A lot of organizing going on here. I picked up 2 packs of the diamond wrap adhesives, or adhesive diamond wraps. I got these. They had more colors, but I mainly wanted the plain silver. There we go. I got 2 of these, and this is also for some Halloween goodies. They had these in blue, red, and green. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have got the green, but it's okay. I picked up some of these ribbon, burlap ribbon with lace. I got 2 of those. to use. These are 9 feet each. And I also picked up the tool bench containers. I got 4 of them. They were the last 4 there. I was like, I'm just gonna grab all of them because these are very handy, especially now. I bought more sequins the other day and I need to put them in containers. You put them away. I did pick up, this was the only one that I saw. It's a Gather cup. It's supposed to be the insulated cups, but we all know this is not very insulated. I'm just going to be using this around my house. It's a very cute print with the pumpkins. So I'm going to be using that for the season for my cold drinks. I also picked up some stickers, Halloween stickers. So we've got 35 pieces and these are the puffy stickers. And this is what it looks like. And here's another design, puffy stickers, 35 pieces also. And you can see the color difference. So these are green, yellowish, whatever. And this is like a mint kind of. So yeah. And here we have the foil stickers. Very cute. Look at this haunted house right there. It's so cool. There's 25 pieces in this one. And then I picked up this one, which has more witches and pumpkins compared to this one with the haunted house and the ghosts and the tombstones. This is very cute. So there's two puffy and 2 foils. Okay. I also picked up in the Crafter Square the 8-piece mini containers. Very tiny compared to this one, which is a 6-piece. And that's what we got there. Let me see. Here we go. So these are new to me, the tube confetti. And we have the iridescent. And then we have gold and silver. And these are the tube style. You can see they're not just plain round beads. And we have the little aqua, pink, and green. I got it mainly for the green for Halloween. The green and the white and the silver. Those 3 colors for my upcoming swap. And let's see, let me get the rest of this. I picked up 2 of the carvable pumpkins. A little bit more pumpkin DIYs. I got 2 of the witches' hats. And it looks like that with the purple band. And you can just imagine. And I found one of, well, there was more actually. I just picked up this one because it was the black. And now I'm going to use that. 1 bag of the spider webs again, and it comes with the spider rings in here. So yeah, let me put that in my DIYs again. I picked 4 boxes of chewy lemon heads for my husband. Too Cool for Ghouls trick-or-treat bag. I picked up the Clark & Danver, and this one is the Ocean Fresh. I like that for my son, his bathroom. And this one I like in my kitchen. And this is the Tropical Coconut scent. I like that. Alrighty, I needed more hair ties, so I got this one for $15 in a pack. And we'll see how that holds up my hair, because I know I ripped through ponytails. I did pick up the toilet sprays. They are smaller from the last time I picked it up, but this is the citrus scent, And if you get these at Walmart, the other brand name, it's the same thing. It's just, I think $5, $4 or $5, something like that for the one. I did grab 2 of these baskets. This is going into my kitchen for my like onions and potatoes. So that's what I picked these up for. And 2 other items for the kitchen. I got 2 of, actually this is a 2-pack. So 2 2-packs of the square cake pans for the kitchen. And 2 individual regular baking pans, also for the kitchen. And then the final share, I bought some reading books, and I made sure that these were age appropriate. These are all like his age group. So I got Battalion Banished by Nancy Osa, and these are just more reading options for him, all for $1. This was originally priced at $9.99 and got this for $1. Henry Hubble's Book of Troubles by Andy Meyer, and it looks like that. It's super cute, guys, and this is for ages 10 to 12. And this was priced at $7.99 US. And I got it for $1. So I think he would like that. And then I got The Curse of the Chocolate Phoenix by Kate Saunders, however you want to say that. Author of The Whiz Pop Chocolate Shop. And this was originally priced at, this is the same age group, 10 to 12, $6.99, and I got this for $1. And then I found the #1 New York Times best-selling author, Liane Moriarty, and this is Nicola Berry and the Shocking Trouble on the Planet of Shabble. Crazy. So it's a series, so it has 2 more in the series. It's originally $8.99, and I got it for $1. Yeah, I hope you guys saw that. So there it is. I think this is so awesome. 4 books, 4 great stories that he could choose from for $1 each. Awesome chapter books, 5th grader. He's a strong reader, so I'm trying to keep him going with his reading, and hopefully he stays on track. But that is it for my haul, guys, and thanks for watching. I appreciate all your love and support, and please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can see when I load up new videos. And I also encourage you to check out that birthday challenge giveaway. It's for the month of September. I'm closing it on September 30th, and I will be announcing the winner on October 3rd. So check it out. It's gonna be fun. I'll have a video coming up for the prize, what you will receive as the prize for the winning. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.